how to grow tomato in containers. So guys, welcome again to my channel. My name is Carrie, aka Lashes Journey, and today I will be talking to you guys about growing tomato in containers and some of the roadblocks that I've come across and how it's going. Just a little bit of tomato update on this video. So as you see, my tomato trees, they're producing lots and lots of tomato. If you notice, this tree has 3, 6, 9, 12, approximately 18 tomato on this one.
Mom, can we actually bring the bike inside?
No, not in the trampoline. Inside the house. If it's clean.
It is clean.
Okay.
Just only have a little bit of dirt. It only has just...
Those are bok choy, and you guys know we are, today is July 10th, and we have a lot of greenery in the farm or in the garden. Those are bok choy, blueberries, and those are just volunteer that came up in the blueberry beds. But back onto the tomatoes. They're producing. You guys know tomatoes they're heavy feeders. They love water, so you make sure you are watering them often and very good, because what I've came across with these grow bag is, even though sometimes it looks like the top is water, inside the middle is dry. And that happened to my tomato, where I noticed my plants, my fruit, the tomato fruits, they were withering, and I'm like, why my plants look like that? And I water it every day, but I guess when it's in the fabric bags, it's not getting a good water unless you put a container under the bottom. So if you notice on my tomatoes, I didn't have nothing underneath the bottom of the fabric bag, so that makes it very harder for the water, for it to retain water, so the water just run right through. You guys look, there's a lot of tomato on here. We'll be harvesting tomato. We eat from these tomato daily. So make sure you're giving your plants good water. Once they're in fabric bags or in pots, make sure you're giving it a good water, because so lots of water. And I don't use fertilizer on my tomatoes or on none of my plants. I make compost. You guys know I'm whole food plant based, so I have lots and lots of kitchen scraps that I put in a compost pile, and I have it break down, and that's what I use on in my soil to fertilize my veggies, so it can be natural and organic as possible. So as always, guys, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you on the next video. These are some of my July crops. Also, we have a lot of bell pepper season. Lots of bell pepper coming in. These are my callaloo. I did drop some more callaloo over here. These are all callaloo as well. Those are the tricolor amaranth.